No.
Really? Because I think that kind of sums up
But
everything.
no!
Oh, sorry. Sometimes these catheters can pinch a little bit. Well, thanks for listening. I really appreciate it.
You got a real gentle touch there, Doctor. You won't be able to say no.
Actually, I'm a nurse. Doctor will be right in. Thanks, Kim. Good luck, buddy.
Okay, it's time for our problem of the week. I want you to pick out your problem that's been bothering you all week, with your eyes still closed. I want you to picture that problem in your mind. Pretend that it's right there in front of you.
I don't want to be my best friend, but you're also the person that I want to spend the rest of my life with. I love you. Will you marry me?
Taste test.
To scare your problems away. I want you to say boo.